239-099. Stephanie, brush your hair. Are you gonna brush your hair? Very good.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Can you brush mommy's hair? Can you brush mommy's hair? Can you brush mommy's hair? Oh, Nala. Holy cow. Uh-oh.
Crazy dog.
This is funny because I don't think we've ever got Nala on tape doing this. Wow! I know. All done? There she goes again. Go, go, go. No, ouch! Ouch, ouch. Got me. Scratched me. Yeah, your nails are sharp. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Nala. Nala is crazy. Can you brush mommy's hair? Can you brush mommy's hair? Can you brush my hair? Can you brush my hair? No. Say some words for us, Stephanie. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say hi. Hi.
Hey, Stephanie, say Elmo.
Who's Elmo? We don't have an Elmo. Who's that?
Ma.
That's Dora. Can you say Dora? Say Dora.
Do.
Dora. Da-da, Dora. What does Swiper say? What does Swiper say? What does Swiper say? Gonna put Swiper in the camera. Stephanie, where's Swiper? Where is Swiper? No. That's Winnie the Pooh Bear. Can I hold Winnie the Pooh? Where's Swiper? Here you're dancing in circles now. Oh, that's all right. Stephanie, you want to say some more words? Let's see. Say Nala. Where's Nala? There's Nala. Say Nala. Say Mama.
Mama.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? There's Daddy.
Yeah.
Stephanie, where are your toes? Where are your toes? There they are! Good! Toes! Where are your ears? They're up there? Yeah! Where's your hair? Am I working you too hard? Oh, you're gonna brush your hair? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Can you brush mommy's hair? Stephanie. Can you brush mommy's hair? No. Stephanie.
Daddy doesn't have any hair to brush. Uh-oh. Crash boom.
Say uh-oh. I'm gonna get you! Does that tickle? That tickles! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Oh. Oh. Can I have a kiss?
Oh. Nah.
Oh, okay, that's my kisses. Oh, my goodness! Oh dear.
Stephanie, let's work on your ABC. Say A, B. That's it. B,
Say B.
C, C,
Good.
D, E. Stephanie, show us your teeth. Go E. Stephanie,
She said E.
I know. I wanted to
Well,
show
we gotta work on it.
F.
No, gave up.
Nah,
do it up to E.
I'm done.
Good job. You know what I noticed? That those dots match Minnie Mouse's chair here. You put those away in the toy box? Hey, is Tico in there?
Where's Tico?
Where's Tico? Where's Tico? Is he in the toy box? That's Swiper. Yeah, that's Swiper. Is Tico in the toy box? Go look in the toy box for Tico. Go look. That's Swiper. Go look for Tico in the toy box. I don't even know if it's in there.
That's not Tico.
Is Tico in there? Is Tico in there? There he is!
That's
Smarty Pants.
Tico.
Good job, sweetie. There's Tico.
Can you say Tico?
Ah. Say Tico. Good, Tico. Good job. Oops, oops. Good deal. Where's Benny? Where's Benny the Bull? Where's Benny? Is he over there somewhere? There's Benny. Good job. Benny. Can you say Benny?
No.
Can you say Nala no? Say Benny. Benny, oh, Benny. You want Tico? Do you want Tico? Go give Daddy Tico. Whoopsies. Go give Tico to Daddy. Whoops. You forgot him. Go give Tico to Daddy. Give Tico to Daddy.
Oh, thank you, Pumpkin.
Hey, you're welcome. De nada. Oh, there's Benny. You doing Benny too? They're friends, aren't they?
Thank you. There's Tico.
Dora. Dora's part of the show too. She's the main cook. I wonder if they'll come out with a
Benny?
Diego doll. Dora? Where are you going? Now what are we gonna do? Hmm. Strong baby.